Beyond their role as culinary wonders, cloves have carved a niche for themselves in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Today we will share the diverse ways in which cloves can positively influence health, exploring their uses and potential side effects. Historical and culinary roots. Cloves have been tantalizing palates across the globe for centuries, adding depth and flavor to savory dishes, desserts, and beverages. They've also found their way into oral care products, creams, gels, and oils. Dental pain relief. Clove oil, with its well-established reputation as a remedy for dental pain, is one of the shining stars of cloves' medicinal potential. A study involving 73 adults demonstrated that clove-based gel was as effective as benzocaine, a local anesthetic, in relieving pain from mouth injections. Moreover, the antibacterial properties of cloves may help combat oral bacteria responsible for dental plaque, gingivitis, and cavities. Blood sugar management. Emerging evidence suggests that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, might play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Although most research has been conducted in animal models, one human study on healthy volunteers noted that clove extract, when used for 12 days, led to a minor reduction in blood sugar levels compared to a placebo. While promising, more robust research is required to provide definitive guidelines for blood sugar management in humans. Exploring the potential in cancer. Laboratory studies have investigated the effects of cloves on cancer cells, particularly focusing on eugenol's potential. While these studies are intriguing, they remain inconclusive, and it is imperative to emphasize that supplements and herbal remedies should not be considered as alternatives to established cancer therapies. Cancer patients should always consult their healthcare team before introducing new supplements or herbal products. Relief from itchy skin. Clove oil, when applied topically, shows promise in alleviating itchy skin. A study involving 25 individuals with chronic pruritus found that clove oil outperformed petroleum oil in reducing itching. However, further research is needed to comprehensively understand the impact of clove oil on itchy skin. Rich in antioxidants. Cloves boast a high antioxidant content, potentially interfering with the production of cell-damaging free radicals. Test tube studies indicate that cloves exhibit the most potent antioxidant properties when compared to other spices commonly found in a Mediterranean diet. Moreover, eugenol in cloves appears to outperform vitamin E as an antioxidant. Risks and side effects. While small amounts of clove oil tend to cause minimal side effects such as local irritation, rare allergic reactions, and contact dermatitis, excessive consumption can lead to severe complications including liver and kidney damage, seizures, and coma. Caution should be exercised, especially concerning children, as clove oil can be toxic to them. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals are advised to avoid clove supplements due to limited safety data. In rare cases, ingesting clove oil has resulted in serious health issues like disseminated intravascular coagulation and hepatocellular necrosis. Additional precautions and interactions. Clove oil should be avoided by individuals with bleeding disorders and discontinued at least 2 weeks before scheduled surgery to prevent excessive bleeding. Clove cigarettes, sometimes used for inhalation, are considered unsafe and detrimental to health. How to use cloves. Clove oil is readily available at health food stores and supermarkets. For mouthwashes, a solution containing 1% to 5% essential oil is recommended, while undiluted oil is suitable for official dental use. When purchasing clove oil, it's advisable to choose products bearing a USP, Consumer Labs, or NSF label, signifying third-party testing for ingredient accuracy. So, as we can see, cloves have made a mark in traditional medicine and garnered attention for their potential health benefits. While they exhibit promise in areas like dental pain relief, blood sugar management, and antioxidant properties, the evidence remains limited in some cases. Caution should be exercised regarding potential side effects and interactions, especially in children and individuals with specific medical conditions. Always consult with healthcare professionals before introducing clove supplements or other herbal products into your health regimen.